How's it going, everyone? I want to talk about stock ADTX, as this, I think, is a stock that not a lot of people know about. A stock that maybe a lot of people even forgot about. They're like, man, this is so frustrating. And that's when a lot of these stocks tend to have these massive moves up. And I can tell you guys my analysis, what I think is going to happen. Take it how you want. And I'm going to show you guys what really my system teaches me for bottom reversals. So when I was looking at this stock, I saw this consolidation pattern, right? Where we're going bouncing up and down, up and down. A nice consolidation with lots of volume, lots of accumulation happening. And I did get a 0.1080 and I saw it jump up to this EMA 10, and it could act as resistance, as these are EMAs act as resistance in a downtrend. When you see the EMA 20 at the very top, that could be that is a big indicator that we're in a downtrend stock. So it's not really hard to see, like, scroll out, you can see, wow, this is in a massive downtrend. But doesn't mean we cannot trade this either, guys. This could make a massive run. I just traded a ticker just earlier, CYN, and we made really good money in the Discord. And if you click the link down below in YouTube comments, you can join that. It's not going to cost you a lot. But this is about ADTX. This is what I really think is going to happen is I think this one right here is a stop loss hunt here. I think this is what a lot of people had their stop losses here. And I think this is a buying opportunity. We know at the very least, if you guys aren't aware, that our target is this EMA 20 right here, this blue line. And the reason why I can say that is because this thing has not hit in close to 6 months on this EMA 20. And that should be like telling you, wow, this is a great buying opportunity, and this is a great opportunity to lower down your cost. Now, obviously, if you have averages way up into 30 cents, 20 cents, that really sucks, and you probably just, you didn't really follow a system, or you followed someone that had no idea what they're talking about, and you just got wrecked by it. I have a very strict system. If you watch my education videos, when you do join the Discord, if you do, make sure you watch how to properly accumulate my reversals. I have a very strict set of rules of only one ad a day. I do not want everyone to buy every dip there is, because what happens a lot of the times is when the market is weak, on a particular stock, it takes it down all throughout the day. And usually when you buy is at the end of the day and the algo's let loose. And a lot of times these penny stocks will pump after hours in pre-market, and that's when you can make really excellent returns. So let me show you this EMA 20 here. This is insane, right? This stock, it looks really crappy, but I have actually made massive money all throughout this journey on this stock. This stock has been consistently profitable for me. I know a lot of people say it's a junk stock. Absolutely. But as you can see right here is 809 is the last time we touched this EMA 20. And all price will touch it. Physically, it will touch it. It doesn't matter how crappy the stock is. Some take longer than usual. It could be because of the holidays we had, like New Year's, Christmas time, Thanksgiving. There was a lot of holidays, so maybe we can give this one a little. But either way, not touching in 6 months is long. If you go from 809 to current date is 909, 1009, 1109, 1209, 109, and then 209. That is coming up to 6 months. Some of the longest stocks that I've seen not touch, and these are one of the crappiest stocks, is Mon. Mon hasn't touched in 5 months, but it still did. And when it touched, let me assure you guys, it did over 100% move. And I saw that. And this is what this strategy capitalizes. But once it does that, we do not want to trade this stock anymore, because we know this EMA 20 is going to go down every day. So we do want to make sure that we're keeping our averages tight with this. It's very rare not to see this stock touch by 6 months. That is absolutely insane. So what I can really expect is the algos to really drag it up here. We can pump 46% easy. This could be just a lot of people just boop, stop loss out, and then it goes up. I guarantee you that's a lot of the times what you see here. We have we'll break back through this support level, and at the very least, what I like to do is like I said, I played it last time over here when we had some EMA 5 time distance. And I played it as close as possible to this. I took some gains on this 10, obviously, because we were at massive. But I expect price to do that. And the reason why this don't count as an EMA 20 touch is because there's a little gap between this. This does not count, and it has to physically touch. The market will make it very clear when it touches, okay? There wouldn't be a question of, is it not touching? If you see a gap between the 20 and the wick, then that does not count. You have to see price physically touch it for it to count. And so knowing that, this gives us an opportunity to be like, there's massive volume accumulating on this. There's a lot of volume, there's a lot of green volume, there's red, obviously there's a balance of it, but I do think that the bulls will step in and this could go up massive, okay? So that's what I'm thinking. And also remember, only buy it once a day. If it goes down to, and I see that a lot of times is people be like, I have no more money to buy the dip. It's because you bought every every little dip that happened in one day that you're all out of cash. This could go down a little more, and I'd be totally fine. So I am going to buy this. I'm going to accumulate these dips, and I'm going to be patient. This could take a while. It's totally fine, but I think this is a hidden gem biotech stock with a merger happening that it can go up massive. To me, it's worth the risk. Sub 10-cent penny stock. And we'll see where it goes from there. I'm not going to say this is a solid company because it's not. Any sub 10-cent penny stock is not solid. They did a reverse flip prior. They don't really care about their shareholders, but I do know that I do respect the reversion to the mean. I know that is something that always will happen no matter what. And so since I know that, I can be more confident than other people that are spreading fear and be like, and they don't know what to do, and they're probably taking losses after losses after losses, where I know what's gonna, what is expected to happen. Okay, do I know the exact timing? No, but 6 months, come on, that is worth the risk in my opinion. 6 months not touching this, this is the longest I ever seen it. So this is definitely going to make history. Even if it goes all the way down to here, this EMA 20 goes down to 11 cents, I'll still make money if it pumps to that. So to me, it's worth the risk. I'm just going to play it out. I'm going to buy the dips. I'm going to buy it once a day. If it goes down, since it went down 13%, there was a nice dip opportunity here. I'll wait until the end of the day, see if it goes down some more, and we'll see what it goes from there. I'm going to be patient. When this thing goes, it's going to go fast. We saw this thing go, last time. You can look at the hourly chart when it went last time. Look at the spikes this thing can give. You can see it after hours of pre-market, in a blink of an eye. We went from 12 cents to 25. That's 100% gain in a blink of an eye. And where did that do it? After hours of pre-market. That's where it tends to make those massive moves. We've seen that. Look at this, from 16 to 22. I'm not really worried about. I know this stock is known for the spikes. So, and that's what I'm going to rely on. Look at this massive spike at 6 in the morning, 36. So, if you're playing these sub 10-cent penny stocks, make sure you have a broker that you can get into these things, and you can sell pre-market after hours, Wake up at 4 in the morning and just kind of like, put your sell order in and be like, what, I want to make 10%. That's what I love. I love making 10%. I put my sell order in. That way, if it spikes there, boom, boom, I'm done. And I go on with my day. I buy the dips, and it works perfect. This is ADTX, biotech stock that under 10 cents that I think can make an explosive move. It's done it before, done it many times. But the secret is, are you going to sell when it pumps? Don't be that person that keeps holding on to it and be like, oh, I think it's due for more. We know the EMA 20 is the target, but it could go very close to it like it did here and dump down. I think it's due for that pump to it. As you can see, we kept hitting this 10 multiple times, and when you hit resistance, which is EMAs, multiple times, you tend to break out to the next EMA. All right, guys, if you guys want to join the premium Discord, click the link down below in YouTube comments below, and in the description, it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. You guys are going to learn a lot for this particular video. I'm going to give you guys the discount of a lifetime that, obviously, if you're watching this, you love bottom reversals, and you probably lost money in the market, and you probably got sick and tired of it, and you're probably watching this, and you probably have ADTX average way higher, or you're just watching this to learn my strategy or whatever. But either way, advanced, beginner or not, I promise you, if you join this system, if you join this Discord, I promise you're going to learn something that you probably didn't know. And what I did is I've read many books, been in many strategies, and I combine it into something that fits my personality and it most likely fit yours, and how to be consistently profitable doing this particular set of skills. So if you join this Discord from this video, I'm going to give you an all-time promotional offer of $12 a month by clicking day trade alerts here. The price will never go up. It'll be $12 a month for the lifetime unless you cancel. And if you do subscribe, do it on your computer to avoid the ILS fee. $12 a month, and you're going to get the swing trades, and you're going to get day trades as additional bonus. My day trading is my most favorite. I actually put more money into day trading because I don't have to worry about overnight risk. I love the fact that I can win over 90% doing a very unique strategy, which I will share. If you look at my screenshots here, you'll learn all about how to do this. There is videos on everything that you watch in these channels, And there's also live streams that I go live right here that you'll see me go live. But the point is to get into this, learn a system, and not just follow influencers on be like, oh, he said buy ADTX and you just randomly. You want to understand why you're buying it. Look at the chart, understand all these indicators of how a bottom reversal works. And with lots of volume, lots of accumulation, I see this going up big, so it's worth a shot. Do I know exactly what it's going to do, when it's going to pump? No, nobody can say that, but I do say it's worth a shot, okay? So this is how I'm doing it. Hope to see you guys in the Discord. Let's make some money. It's only 12 bucks a month. If you don't like it, cancel anytime. But it's a great community, and it's so affordable that, you know, you're going to learn a lot, be a part of other people, and learn from others. I've learned from others. A lot of people sharing stocks that you know you probably didn't see, and I'm like, oh yeah, that's a good thing. As we have a stock suggestions page, and sometimes I look at this and I'll be like, yeah, this is this is a good stock that meets the system. More eyes, the better, right? All right, guys, ADTX. Hidden value stock, undervalued, oversold type of pattern here that can have a nice fish hook pattern to the upside. I hope to see you guys in the Discord. If you guys like the video, give a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.